Hello, my most amazing artists. Today we are going to make a color wheel spider web. This is going to be so much fun. So let's get started. Let me show you how we're going to do this. To begin, you need a pencil, a Sharpie, some markers, a paintbrush, and some water. Now you can set everything to the side except for your pencil and your paper. You're going to first start by folding your paper in half. It does not matter which way, but you do want to line up the corners. Be sure they match up. Hold it, push your finger to the middle, and then crease that edge. Do the same thing. We're going to fold it in half one more time, the opposite direction. Do it the same way. Now you're going to open it up, take your pencil, and you're going to trace that plus sign that is the crease in the middle, and also draw two diagonal lines, an X in the middle of your paper. Now, starting close to the middle, we are going to create curved lines, kind of like a smiley face, all the way around. They should all connect to each other. Then we'll move up a little bit and do the same thing. You will do this till you get to the edge of your paper. The main thing to remember here is that all of your lines connect each row. Be sure that you connect them at those first lines that you drew. Now you're going to get your Sharpie and you will start to trace all of your pencil lines. Look, it's really hard to stay right on top, so it's okay if your Sharpie is not perfectly on all of those lines. Just do your best. If you need help with your spider web, raise your hand and ask me to come help you before you trace in Sharpie. That way we can get it right and you will have a wonderful spider web traced in Sharpie. I chose to add a few more lines to make my spider web a little bit bigger, but you don't have to do this. Now let's draw our spider. You can start with a small circle and then a big circle for the body. Spiders have 8 legs, so be sure you put 4 on each side. You're going to color it in with your black Sharpie. You can put your spider anywhere on your paper that you like. Now you need to get out 8 markers, and they should be in color wheel or rainbow order. So red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink can be at the end. Start with your red and start somewhere on your paper in one of the sections. You are going to do a thick outline of red underneath all of your black lines in that section. Now we'll go to orange. Don't do a thin line. You want to be sure that you have a thick line of color. Remember, we're going underneath the black line, a thick line of marker color. We move on to yellow. So remember, we're going in rainbow order. So you should have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and then pink. Okay, now's the fun part. You're going to take your cup of water and your paintbrush. You need to wet your paintbrush, rinse it out between colors, and you're just going to drag the color down from the marker down into the white areas. You'll do this on all colors. Remember, it is important to rinse your brush out between colors so that they don't mix and you can have your beautiful color wheel spider web. Have fun today!